doing, Fluffy? Are you playing with the kitty toy? My two inside cats, they won't play with this product out. Let the outside kitties play with it. See, that's what you should be doing, Chubbies. Chubbies was at the door, looking out the screen door. Fluffy loves this thing. My two inside cats, they will not play with this thing. They played with it just one time and that was it. They wanted nothing to do. Oh, you broke the mouse off. You said heck with that mouse. Well, get it, buddy. He's enjoying this. He is just... Ouch! Did you hurt your butt? Here. Go over there. Go get it. Here, I'll put the mouse back on it. There we go. Wish I can super glue that mouse down there. There you go. You got your mouse back. Look at him play with that thing. He's just enjoying the living daylights out of it. Oh, Fluffy, you're silly. So much joy to see the outside kitty play with this because, like I said, my two cats that I gotta keep inside, they only played with this once, and that's all that. And then they didn't want anything to do with it, so I thought, well, because he started attacking my hands, my feet, and I brought this out here for him to play with. So now the inside kitties got each other to play with, and look who's at the door. Look who's at the door. Hey, Jane. Hey, Chavers. What you doing, baby? What you doing, baby? Aww. You mad because I take away your toy? You guys won't play with it. No, you won't. You guys won't play with it. You guys only played with it once and then you just didn't want nothing else to do with it. So I had to do something. What, you mad? Are you mad? You still mad? Huh? You still mad? I love you. You know I do. You know I do. Hey. It's Chubbies. Come here, buddy. Come here. He is mad. Look at that face. Oh, look at that face. Are you head bulking the camera saying hi to everybody? Aww. No, clawing. Quit clawing the screen. Are you having fun there, Fluff? Huh? You having fun? Huh? How about we turn it upside? There we go. Turn it up right. There we go. Boom. Boom. You know, your brother Buttons should be up here playing with this too. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.